Every driver knows that feeling of tackling a project only to be slowed down by a missing or frustrating tool. The right gear can turn a chore into a joy and save you time, money, and mess. We have explored countless options to bring you a curated list of truly useful tools that deserve a spot in your garage. From essential maintenance to clever upgrades, these picks will make your automotive life easier. Check all product links are in the description. Let us get started. Number 1. KiCA JetFan Max Turbo Dryer Blower. Why spend time and effort carefully drying your car with towels that can leave swirl marks or missed spots? The KiCA JetFan Max presents a smarter, faster, and more thorough way to get your vehicle spotless after a wash. This is not just a leaf blower, it's a powerful drying tool engineered to blast water out of every crevice, mirror, and wheel. With a motor that generates a serious wind speed, it pushes water off panels effortlessly, including from those hard-to-reach areas like door jambs and around badges that towels struggle with. The adjustable speed control lets you fine-tune the power for delicate areas or crank it up for maximum effect. A single button activates a turbo mode for an extra boost of air. It runs on a rechargeable battery system, giving you the freedom to move around your vehicle without being tethered by a cord. The added bonus is its versatility. With the included attachment, it converts into a handy vacuum for cleaning interiors or your garage. This tool turns the most tedious part of car washing into a quick and satisfying finish. Number 2. EWK Flexible Oil Funnel. Have you ever finished an oil change only to spend more time cleaning spilled oil from your engine bay than you did on the actual task? This common frustration is precisely what the EWK Flexible Oil Funnel is designed to eliminate. Forget about those rigid, bulky plastic funnels that never seem to fit where you need them. This tool is a game changer for any fluid task. Imagine a funnel you can bend in shape to snake into the tightest engine compartments or drape perfectly over a filler neck from an awkward angle. Made from a durable and flexible material, it guides oil, coolant, or other fluids directly into the target without any drips running down the sides. When you're done, it rolls up neatly for compact storage in a drawer or your toolbox, taking up virtually no space. Cleaning is a simple rinse, as its smooth surface does not let fluids stick. Built to handle extreme temperatures, it's just as reliable on a cold morning as it is on a hot summer day. For a clean and spill-free fluid change every single time, this funnel is an indispensable helper. Number 3. XRenson Emergency Strobe Lights. What if you could significantly increase your safety on the road during an emergency stop, a roadside repair, or while volunteering? Visibility is your greatest ally, and the XRenson Emergency Strobe Lights provide a powerful, attention-grabbing solution. These compact light bars are designed to make your vehicle unmistakably noticeable to other drivers from a long distance. Featuring 16 high-intensity light-emitting diodes, they produce intensely bright flashes in your choice of color combinations. With multiple flash patterns to choose from, you can select a strobe or alternating sequence that best suits the situation. Installation could not be simpler. They attach securely to your windshield or dashboard using strong suction cups and plug directly into your vehicle's 12-volt power outlet. This makes them perfect not only for personal safety during breakdowns, but also for volunteers who need to signal their presence. The peace of mind that comes from knowing you've taken an extra step to protect yourself and your passengers is invaluable. Number 4. CargoSmart LED Hybrid S-Curve Loading Ramps. Loading a heavy motorcycle, ATV, or lawn tractor into a pickup truck bed is often a two-person job filled with apprehension. What if you could make it a smoother, safer, and solo-friendly task? The CargoSmart LED Hybrid S-Curve loading ramps are engineered to transform this challenging chore into a controlled and secure process. The genius lies in the S-curve design. Unlike a straight ramp, this gentle dual arch shape provides a continuous, less steep angle for your equipment to climb, offering better traction and stability for the wheels. As if that wasn't clever enough, the ramps feature built-in LEDs that illuminate automatically when unfolded, creating a lit path for loading in low-light conditions like early mornings or late evenings. Paired with adjustable safety straps to secure the ramps to your truck, these features work together to give you confidence. The robust aluminum construction supports substantial weight, ensuring you can focus on guiding your equipment rather than worrying about the ramp's strength. Number 5. VEVOR 3-ton electric car jack. Picture this. You have a flat tire on the side of a busy road. The last thing you want to do is struggle with a manual jack, especially in bad weather or poor lighting. Wouldn't it be better to lift your car safely and quickly at the push of a button? The electric car jack modernizes this essential roadside tool, making it accessible and easy for anyone to use. This powerful scissor jack connects to your car's 12-volt outlet and can lift a vehicle weighing up to 3 tons in just a couple of minutes. It includes 2 different saddle heads to accommodate various lifting points on your chassis. Once it reaches its maximum safe height, it automatically stops to prevent overextension. Built from tough alloy steel, it offers remarkable stability. Helpful features like a built-in LED work light and a waterproof design mean you can use it confidently at night or in the rain. It takes the physical strain and guesswork out of lifting your car, turning a stressful situation into a manageable one. Number 6. Vantrue E1 Pro 4K Mini Dash Camera. How much is your peace of mind on the road worth? In the unfortunate event of an incident, having a clear and unbiased record of what happened is crucial. The Vantrue E1 Pro dash camera acts as your silent witness, capturing your drives in stunning detail with a remarkably compact and discreet design. This tiny device records in ultra-high-definition 4000 resolution, ensuring that license plates, street signs, and important details are captured with clarity. Its advanced sensor and lens combination are specifically tuned for excellent performance at night, a common weakness for other cameras. Features like built-in 5 GHz wireless connectivity let you instantly view and manage footage on your phone. Number 7. Nonpacu 60-inch tailgate light bar. Do you want to dramatically improve your vehicle's visibility and style with a simple do-it-yourself installation? A tailgate light bar is a fantastic upgrade, and the Nonpacu 60-inch model delivers brilliant functionality that make you much more noticeable to traffic behind you, especially at night or in poor weather conditions. This strip seamlessly integrates across the width of your tailgate, housing hundreds of individual LEDs. It's far more than just an extra brake light. It integrates multiple functions. It shows bright red for braking, amber for turn signals, white for reverse, and can even flash for emergency warning. The installation requires no drilling, as it typically connects to your existing vehicle wiring with simple plugs. We hoped you enjoyed our video and liked the products we selected. Let me know in the comments which product you liked the most. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a like and subscribe. Thank you very much for watching the full video.